Guys, welcome to my video. So this is no trading, and today I will be doing some trading shots with explanation like we used to do. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Leave us a comment and share with your friends if you want to. So let's start. So here we have our support that become a resistance and not being tested yet. So it will go down as this candle is on the area, exactly on the area. So if you adjust it a little bit, so you can find the correct area. So the good entry will be on the highest point on this level. On this level. So it's the best entry here, can be done here. I will use this as the best entry trade. So here, as you can see, it's making a reversal. If we draw a trend line here on this new upper week, we could determine the next moves. Okay, I will draw here as I have support. Okay, so here I will go for lowest, lower put option, as we have our trend line here and we are in the resistance area, so highly potential to go down. Let's see what will happen on this candle. So the best entry will be on the cross, also higher than the cross, you can see. Okay, it's made a break, good break, as we are near the London session opening. So I'll go for one step martingale as lower. Let's see what will happen on this candle, as we are in the resistance area. So it's simple trade, you can see. So the best entry will be on the top. I go again. Highly potential this candle will go down and make a correction of this big move. So we recovered our losses. We are in tournament account, so I'm using low balance. Okay, so here it made a good reversal, so highly potential this candle will go up again, as we are retesting this trend line. So highly potential this candle will go down, and the best entry will be on this zone. Take my line, this zone. Okay, so because this big red candle stopped at the level, this lowest level, and highly potential the next candle will respect this. So let's see. So here we are in little uptrend, left trend. So if we move like this, we can have another trend line and follow it. So here this candle will go correction, but the best entry will be on this lowest level. So as you can see, guys, it's going up. I will spot the highest to play rejection. I will try to spot it. It's going down. Okay, let's wait. So if you are not sure about your trade, So you must wait. The key is being patient. To be patient. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm not from English country, so it's hard, a little bit hard. So here we have a good way to trade the highest of this. Where is mine? Okay, there it is. So if this candle goes here, I will go for lower. Okay, so I will explain. So this candle, this green candle, goes up, then rejected from this area. So highly potential. The next, okay, I will go again. So my second trade is good. So the best area is here because this candle tried to reach this level, this red candle, but it failed. So this candle is good as a resistance area, and this candle we're gonna trade a rejection, and let's see what will happen on this one. Okay, we got a winning. So highly possibility this candle to reverse, as it made the maximum tries to cover this big red candle. So highly possibility this candle will go down. It's like a pattern, if you can consider it, if 3 candles fail to cover a big candle. So highly possibility the fourth one goes down. So let's see what will happen on this candle. As you guys can see, it's going down, and we got our winning trade. So here we should wait this candle until it tries again to go up, or we can wait this to reach again the trend lines as I drawn here. So guys, you need to practice again and again this price action, and the price action is actually when the price acts with support and resistance and acts with the candles, the previous candles. So we have here, and also I forgot to say that every move of a candle is having like how to say condition. Okay, forget. I don't know how to explain, but every step of a candle have its own how to say. I will explain later. Okay, let's back to trade. So here, highly potential if this candle hit back the upper wick, I will go for a lower, else I will wait. So I was thinking, and I said every candle have its own rule. So if every step can change the wall of the move, of the next move, so you need to try to read the candle as much as possible. So here, as I know, this candle goes up to this level, goes down, and it's reacting over this level and this level. So my point is to take, so I'm in uptrend, so highly possibility to take the lowest point. So here, lowest point. So as you can see, guys, it's going from the lowest point, goes up. So this candle goes down a little bit and goes up. That means that the sellers are existing. The buyers are existing very strong buyers from this point and pushing the price up. So this candle is trying to go down. It's making some reversal from this point, but it's fighting, making a rejection, going down, going down. There is something here that pushed the price down. So highly possibility if we look at the left, so we can find here, okay, I will see, so we can find a resistance. You see, this is a resistance, and this becomes support and become resistance again. Okay, now you know how to read a little bit the candle. So don't forget to join my Facebook group. Link will be in description. So highly possibility this candle will reverse next candle, because we are into trend lines here. So I will wait if this candle will reject and react over this both of trend lines. So yes, it's going upper. So the next candle will be a little candle. Okay, it's going down. Why it's going down? Because this candle started outer than those trend lines. So highly possibility that this candle will go down. So the best entry will be on the trend line retest when the price goes and test the trend lines. And you can see, guys, it's going down. The best entry will be here on my white line. And as you can see, guys, it's going down. It's all about candle reading. So if you want to read the candle, you need a lot of practice and good monitoring. And don't forget to join my Facebook group. It's going so deep, making a reaction here. So it's making a reaction. So after a big candle, it's good to wait. You need to wait. So I tell you guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends, and leave us a comment, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.